Let us introduce you to our new Details Dixon soft wash and pressure washing truck. We invested in a professional truck-mounted system, so we can deliver stronger results with better control and a more consistent process from start to finish. For hard surfaces like concrete, pavers, and masonry, this setup includes a high-flow pressure washer rated at 5.7 gallons per minute and up to 3,000 pounds per square inch. That combination matters because it lets us rinse faster and more evenly, which helps prevent streaking and patchy results on larger areas. For siding, soffits, gutters, roof surfaces, and other delicate materials, we use a dedicated soft wash system. Instead of relying on high pressure, we apply a controlled mix of solution, allow it to break down buildup, then rinse clean. This approach reduces the risk of forcing water behind siding, damaging finishes, or etching softer surfaces. You will also see multiple onboard tanks, including a 100-gallon water supply, plus separate solution and soap tanks. A built-in metering system helps us keep mixes consistent, and a flush feature helps protect the lines between jobs. 3 heavy-duty hose reels and long-reach hoses let us work efficiently around the home with fewer resets. Non-marking high-pressure hose helps protect driveways and hardscape. Details like filtration on supply lines, corrosion-resistant components, stainless quick connects, and a float shutoff in the water tank are all there for reliability and safety. We believe in investing in our equipment so that we can do the job the right way. Details Dixon's. One call cleans it all. Guaranteed.